Hello everyone, welcome to Laravel. My name is William. In this video, I would like us to talk about some of the problems that usually face us developers. And one of them is remembering the password that you are using in your development cycle. And this is usually an annoying thing when you think about it, where you are required to remember the password and you are using it often. For example, you are doing some tweaks on the dashboard, and you will have to check it severally and maybe try and check your authentication flow, login, and logout. So this issue of remembering the password, it can sometimes be annoying, and it can also put a lag maybe in your development cycle or approach in this case. So we can be able to avoid this by using a package in Laravel that has been developed by a gentleman by the name Iman Ghafoori here, and it's called Laravel AnyPass. So let us go ahead and install it in our application. This is a Breeze application, and I've used Liveware, but of course it can work in any Laravel application. So let us go ahead and attempt and set it up and see if we can be in a position to actually use this package. So when we scroll down here, we will find where we are supposed to install it. So composer require, and you must install it as a dev dependency because it can only work on as a when you are developing on localhost. You cannot use this in your production application because it will cause problems. So I will just copy this and paste it in our terminal, and that command will install for us our package. So composer require --dev Iman Ghafoori Laravel AnyPass. And of course, the link to this package I will include in the description. Our package is fully installed. Let us go ahead and see how to configure it. So what we need to do is to have in our env, we need to have a few of these things that we have here. So let me just open the env, and then we check out what we have in our application. So the app env is local, and that one is there. And then app debug is true, as it is for any new installation of a Laravel package. And then we can be able to pass any password to true. So this is what I would like us to have here. So maybe after this, we can have that line of code, any pass true. So in this case, we are accepting whatever password somebody is typing in. Whatever it is they type in will be the correct password. And when we want to check if a password is wrong, we can also be able to pass in whatever it is that is a wrong password. And the key of that value in our env will be wrong pass, and we can be able to set any value here. So we can say wrong password, or maybe failed password or something. So if you type in failed, then this password in this case will be a wrong one. So that is the only thing that the system will recognize as a wrong password. But apart from that, every other thing will be correct. I can even, because it's a single word, we can even just have it like that instead of having it in quotation marks. But even if we had it in quotation marks, it will still be fine. So that is all that we have here. So I want to seed my database with a user, and let me just show you what I have in my seeders. So I am seeding the database with a name William and an email william@example.com. So let us go ahead and do php artisan migrate fresh -seed like that. Now we have our user in the database, and I'd like to attempt to log in to this system with my username, my email, which is william@example.com. I would like to put the correct password, and that is the password that we have set in the database. And as you can see, we are logged in. I want to log out and try and type just any gibberish and see if it's still possible for me to log in. So again, william@example.com, and I'm typing in a password of so many characters, as you can see. Attempt to log in. You can see still I am in. So you can be able to use this to enable you to be able to log in within your application. If you have the correct email, you do not have to worry about the password. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have a question, you can be able to shoot in the comment section below. Thank you very much.